Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to stop Messenger pop-up notifications. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To stop Messenger pop-up notifications on your device, you need to adjust the notification settings for the Messenger. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, open the Settings app on your device, then scroll and tap on the Notifications, then go to Apps and Notifications. Make sure All is selected on this drop-down menu to view all your installed apps. Scroll through the list and select Messenger. Then just toggle off the Allow Notifications. If you prefer not to receive any notifications for a certain period of time, you can enable Do Not Disturb mode. To do this, you can swipe down to the top corners of your screen, then just tap on Do Not Disturb. By following these steps, you can stop Messenger pop-up notifications on your device. This will help you reduce interruptions and manage your notifications more effectively. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.